These tragic events created a national rallying cry which accelerated America's war on terror. The United States launched Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan. Once again, Air Force satellites and highly mobile user equipment were key to successful military operations. 2002 saw the first launches of the new EELV rockets. In August, Atlas V carried a commercial satellite into orbit. 3 months later, the Delta IV also transported a commercial satellite. EELV is expected to reduce launch costs by more than 30% over current systems and reduce launch processing time from months to only days. During Operation Iraqi Freedom, coalition forces conducted a massive offensive against Saddam Hussein's military. Air Force Space Command's Aerospace Operations Center planned, directed, and assessed daily space activities supporting air, land, maritime, and special operations. Upgraded Air Force satellite systems provided improved navigation, communication, and weather data for military planners and ground troops alike. Allied air planners were able to reduce the time it took to identify and hit an Iraqi military target from about 1 full day during the first Gulf War to as little as 11 minutes during Operation Iraqi Freedom. The early years of the 21st century saw the beginning of a number of new space programs. Systems such as the wideband gap filler and advanced extremely high-frequency satellites will add greater communications capabilities. Space-based radar will provide military commanders with worldwide, near-continuous surveillance and reconnaissance. These are only a few of the major space systems currently under development by the Air Force and Department of Defense. Operating from the new high ground of space has created radical changes in how America fights and wins wars. The mission that General Schriever began in 1954 is now being fulfilled in the 21st century by the people of Air Force Space Command, its acquisition teams at SMC, the launch groups at Cape Canaveral and Vandenberg, the ICBM deterrent forces, and satellite operators located around the world. The United States Air Force has led the way in space and missile programs for 50 years. In the future, the Air Force will proudly continue this legacy as the world's leader in space, the high frontier.